Hi, this is the Ralph and Rita show. And today I am opening the Cat Lady box. This is November's box. Ralph bought it for me. So I just had one other one in October. So this one's supposed to have kitchen stuff in it.
Oh.
So anyways, I'm opening it. And here's my cute little print of a kitty.
Oh, jeez.
And on the back it tells you exactly what we're getting.
Utensils.
Come on, Blitzy. I got stuffs for you. So I got this cute little kitty cat thing. You're gonna have to make sure I'm showing it to everybody, dear.
Yeah, you're showing it right now.
It's a cat toy. Blitzy, it's a cat toy.
Chef set. Bread slice catnip toy.
Yeah.
There'll be no loafing around when you get your cats with this adorable slice of bread.
Come on,
It's just super premium nip baked in.
Nope. I think I found another kitty toy.
This is a
Chef's hat.
chef's hat catnip toy. Your kitties will not be much help with actual cooking, but they can sure look the part with this adorable chef's hat catnip toy.
Blitzy.
Can they put it on their neck? Cat head?
No, it's too little for a cat's head. Well, come on, Blitz.
Meow.
She's up. She's on her perch. And I also got this, so now I've got to open up to find out it's cat rest spoon.
Keep your counters.
It's cat spoon rest.
Keep your counters clean with exclusive cat spoon rest, designed for this box and made with dishwasher-safe ceramic. It's the perfect place to rest your cat kitchen utensils after stirring a sauce or sauteing something delicious.
Can you see this in the camera?
What's the back say? What's the back look like?
The back says Cat Lady, but can you see this?
What? Looks like a cat.
Can you see it through the lens?
Yeah.
I needed one. Ooh, and looky, it's some kitty cat spoon things. Ladles and spatulas and stuff.
Cat kitchen utensil set, exclusive from Cat Lady box. Cook up the perfect meals with this exclusive set of silicone cat kitchen utensils designed just for this box. Set of 5 utensils that are both super useful and super durable. They will make cooking extra fun and also look great on display. Did it have a cat thing or something? Oh, on the bottom?
Yes, can you see it through the camera? Look through the camera.
Yeah, you can see it.
Doofus head? Yes, he's the doofus head. So they all have the little cat heads on the handles, at the ends of the handles.
Unbelievable.
This is the spaghetti thing. And did you know you put the spaghetti in here, you can measure it? How much spaghetti you're putting in your pot for a single serving? There's also 3 other things. Okay?
What, another spoon and what else? Spatula.
Spatula and a slotted spoon.
Ooh, it's a hard spoon. I like that.
And guess what? I didn't get any cute little cat ears this time.
Cat dish towel set, exclusive for Cat Lady box. Clean up the kitchen catastrophes with this mid-century inspired tea towels, or just use them to dry your hands and the dishes. Exclusive to the Cat Lady box and designed to match our signature mode cat stemless wine glasses. Available in our Shop Pass box section online. How many towels is it? One big one?
Is 2, I believe, a white one and a black one.
Jeez, they look like Siamese cats too.
We are Siamese, if you please.
I like the black one.
Cool. I'm gonna go get the cat so you can see the cat and maybe she might want to play. Oh, there's Renegade. Renegade must smell the catnip stuff. Blitzy isn't paying attention.
Anything else in there?
Huh?
Is that it?
Yeah, I'm gonna get the cat. Come on, Brett. Come here, we'll put this on your page too.
There's a cat in the... Oh no, what are you doing?
I told you Renegade smelled. You're fine. You're fine, girl. I scared her away. One Vicky. Can you see me in Blitz? Blitz has got a hold of me, so here's Blitzy. Some toys for you. Okay, well, this is the Ralph and Rita show. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.